We are all born with the spiritual power of intuition. But as we grow up, this power becomes obscured by our cultural emphasis on the left side of the brain, the side in charge of logic, linear thinking, and reason. In this session, we will step into the right side of the brain to awaken and reclaim your higher intuition and make it grow stronger. This will enhance your creativity and help you make better decisions in life. Let's start by finding a quiet place where you will not be disturbed during this session. Get into a comfortable position, sitting or laying down. Let your intuition guide you into the best position for yourself. Place your hands on your abdomen and take 3 deep breaths. Notice the rising and falling of your belly along with your respiration. Inhale, rise, and exhale, fall. Bring your breath back to a normal rhythm. Be fully present and focus all your attention on the breath. Allow the mind to quiet down slowly. If your mind wanders away, gently bring it back to this rising and falling of your abdomen. Now, imagine a liquid blue wave of energy entering your body through your feet. And as it enters, every muscle it touches, getting heavier and relaxed. See this wave wrapping and surrounding every body part from the inside out, making everything limp and relaxed. Let your mind be vast and bright, open and spacious. Notice the peace and calm within this open space of awareness. Stay there for a few moments and let this infinite presence contain every sensation you may experience now. From that open space, bring to mind any situation where you had a strong intuition about something or someone. Bring a clear image to your mind and recall that feeling, that intuition. How does it feel? How does your mind feel in this situation? How does the body respond? Try to intensify the power of this intuition and expand it to your whole body. Feel its energy and its truth. Reconnect to this intuition and let it guide you. Surrender to it. This energy connects anything that you want to know. We're all manifestations of the same energy. We are all one. You can access this energy at any time and in many forms. It is timeless. It binds everything. Look back to that time when you thought about someone, and soon after that person called you or reached back to you. Suddenly realize how this power has been at play for your whole life. Let's do it again. Bring to mind another situation where you had a strong intuition about something or someone. Make it clear as possible. Tap into the feeling you had in that situation. Experience everything. When you practice and make this energy grow and commune with it, you will be able to foresee the future, to glimpse others' minds. Recognize how this energy manifests in dreams or visions. Feel it within yourself. It is vital and always available. Summon it up again. Relive all those moments. Visualize this power of intuition expanding within you as a warm golden light flowing in waves and reaching out, connecting you to every being, to everything in the universe. Know that now you can command this power and commit to using it for the good and benefit of yourself and others. Let these words resonate in your mind. Receive them non-judgmentally. I am powerful. A higher intuition guides me. I can tap into this source of knowledge at any time. will not misuse these abilities. I will help and heal others with them. Let these words fade into the spaciousness of awareness while you are taking 3 deep breaths. Now, come back to your body. Feel its weight. Feel your legs, torso, arms. Slowly begin moving your fingers, your shoulders, your neck. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to our channel and download the Enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. Find the download link in the description below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports the channel. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.